We have done what is Newton's, sorry, not Newton's, zeroth law of thermodynamics we did na last class. Just check, zeroth law of thermodynamics we have done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, sir. Next, right, first law of thermodynamics. First law of thermodynamics. Zeroth law of thermodynamics is based on concept of what?
Temperature.
Temperature. Good. That means internal energy. Huh? First law of thermodynamics. The heat supplied in a thermodynamical system is utilized for two purposes. First, to increase the internal energy du. D means change. U is internal energy. Every body always has some energy due to motion. So du becomes increase in internal energy when you supply the heat. Second, to perform work during expansion against external atmospheric pressure, that is dW. Yes, please copy.
Then
Okay. Therefore, heat supplied, comma, dq equals to du plus dw. This is known as first law of thermodynamics. It is based on law of conservation of energy. It is based on law of conservation of energy. Sorry.
Done, sir.
Okay. What is meaning of isochoric process? Isochoric.
Volume remains constant.
Pardon? Volume remains constant. Yes. The process in which volume remains constant is called as isochoric process. The process in which volume remains constant is called as isochoric process. Therefore, work done, which is pressure into dV, will become P into 0. That means 0. So can I say dQ is du? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Because dW is 0, so dQ is dW. So can we say thus heat supplied is utilized to increase only internal energy. Heat supplied is utilized only to increase internal energy. Right.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, dW is equal to minus PdV नहीं है ना?
नहीं equal to है ना, equal to PdV है ना.
There is no some minus. Okay.
No, minus will come if there is contraction ना.
Okay, depends on the question.
हाँ, it depends कि whether volume is increasing or decreasing. Expand then plus, contract then minus. See, थोड़ा physics और chemistry में उल्टा है. Don't get confused with that.
Yeah, hence I asked. Sir.
हाँ हाँ हाँ. तो physics में generally remember expand plus contract minus, एकदम simple है. इधर कुछ बोला नहीं, बोला है constant volume, तो change 0 ना.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Done.
Okay. Isobaric process. Now what isobaric process means? Pressure is constant. The process in which pressure is constant is called as isobaric process. Therefore, for a thermodynamic system at constant pressure, dq is du plus dw. Nothing is 0. Copy.
Done.
Yes. Done.
Yes, sir.
Right. Next heading, isothermal process. Isothermal process. Isothermal means what is constant?
Temperature.
Temperature.
Temperature. Yes. The process in which temperature is kept constant is called as isothermal process. Therefore, the change in internal energy, that is du, equals to 0. Therefore, dq will be 0 plus dw. So dq equals to dw. Right. So heat supplied is utilized to increase the internal energy only, to do the work only.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Listen.
Yes. Isothermal process. Adiabatic process. What is adiabatic process? The process in which heat remains constant. That is, heat is neither absorbed nor evolved. Okay. Therefore, can you say dq is 0? So du plus dw is 0. Therefore, dw, can I say minus du? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Copy. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Also, for adiabatic process, PV raised to gamma equals to constant. Therefore, P1 V1 raised to gamma is P2 V2 raised to gamma. Copy this much.
Done, sir.
Okay. Since is PV NRT? PV is NRT.
Yes.
So wherever I see, can I write P? Can I write NRT upon V? So
Yes, sir.
NRT upon V into V raised to gamma can be written as constant. Therefore, T V raised to gamma minus 1 can be write constant. That means T1 V1 gamma minus 1 is T2 V2 gamma minus 1, second adiabatic formula. Write down. Okay. अच्छा चलेगा तो अभी ना तो टू वन देना है हाँ 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 तो सेम ही है ऑलमोस्ट आगे भी चलेगा हाँ तो अभी क्या करना है आपको टू चाहिए तो फिर से एक बार रख देते हैं 2 to 5 So T1 V1 raised to gamma minus 1 is T2 V2 raised to gamma minus 1. आ गया? तो अभी कितना है? 90 अपन 193 में दिया 195 रखो प्लीज. हाँ चलो. चलो डन अगेन. So yes, one more. So PV raised to gamma, TV raised to gamma minus 1, we got constants. Again, PV equal to nRT. Therefore, V equals to nRT upon P. Therefore, P into nRT upon P raised to gamma will be constant. So P, the power is 1 minus gamma T raised to gamma equals to constant. So we can say therefore P1 raised to 1 minus gamma T1 raised to gamma is P2 1 minus gamma T2 raised to gamma. Copy third point. One sum is guaranteed on these three formulas. Done?
Yes.
Right. Note. See, sometimes they will not say it is adiabatic. Whenever something is sudden, sudden means you don't get time to exchange the heat. So I'm just writing, if contraction or expansion is sudden, then it is taken as adiabatic process. Therefore, PV raised to gamma equals to constant. Third, TV raised to gamma minus 1 constant. Next point, P raised to 1 minus gamma, T raised to gamma constant. Please copy this much again. Now I'm starting some MCQs.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now I've just sent you one PDF. You all can see that PDF. Just check.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm just solving minimum 10 and maximum 15 sums based on this thermodynamics so that Sunday ka test you are doing well. Assertion A, zeroth law of thermodynamics gives us concept of internal energy. Correct है ना? Correct है ना ये?
Yes, sir.
Because it depends upon temperature. Both are correct.
Temperature.
Yeah, both
Both are correct.
assertion both are correct. Either option both are correct. A na, both assertion and reasons are true and reason is correct explanation. Second one. A gas filled in closed vessel. Closed vessel, then Avan, what is constant for closed vessel?
Volume.
Very good. And if it is open, then
The pressure.
correct. So for closed vessel, volume V is constant. It is heated through 1 Kelvin means change in temperature is 1 Kelvin. Pressure is increased by 0.4%. I think same sum we have done earlier in KTG. What is initial temperature? That means T1. Will you try this? Can you try? At constant volume, pressure is directly proportional to temperature. So percentage change in pressure is percentage change in T. This is 0.4% dT upon original temperature T1 into 100. Try now.
To 250 Kelvin.
How much?
250 Kelvin.
250 Kelvin. Yes, option A. 250 Kelvin. Third one. Any of you know meaning of linear graph? It is direct proportional or inversely proportional?
Directly.
Directly. And if it is rectangular hyperbola, then?
Inversely.
Correct. This chapter, see, maximum things comes graph based. Huh? Figure represents VT graph for a gas heated at constant pressure. What will happen to the mass of gas when it is going from state 1 to state 2? Pressure is constant, they are telling, P is constant. What will happen to the mass? Can you apply any logic, chemistry based?
So V is equals to nRT upon P.
हाँ, simple. V is proportional to T दिया है ना, मतलब इसमें at constant pressure. तो मास को तो कुछ नहीं होता है ना, वॉल्यूम चेंज होएगा, टेम्परेचर जो मास थोड़ी बदलता है, तो मास इज कांस्टेंट बिकॉज मास को चेंज करने के लिए यू हैव टू पुट एक्स्ट्रा वजन, एक्स्ट्रा मॉलिक्यूल, तो मास रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट, इजंट इट? सी मोल एंड मॉलिक्यूलर वेट, pardon?
Charles law.
Charles law?
Volume is proportional to temperature. Right?
That you forget any law. Law I'm not interested, but definitely whether it is pressure, whatever happens to the gas, whichever law you follow, mass changes on its own. No, we have to put some gas no, inside. What can change is pressure, volume, temperature, not the molecular weight, not the mass. They are not dependent on this state or volume or process, correct? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mass does not depends upon pressure, volume, temperature. It depends upon content. So therefore it is constant. Shall I clear now this third wala? C option.
Yes,
फोर
sir.
हाँ देखो ये चैप्टर एक्चुअली आपको मुझे सिखाना चाहिए बिकॉज आपने केमिस्ट्री में ज्यादा पढ़ा है 1 mole of ideal gas N is 1 is undergoing a process where P is P naught 1 plus V naught upon V the whole square. अभी ये कोई प्रोसेस नहीं अपने को पता ही नहीं कौन सा प्रोसेस है. Do we know? I don't know this process, but they are telling this is some process. Any process, ideal gas equation law is obeyed, where P naught, V naught are constant. If its volume changes from V1 as V naught to V2 as double V naught, then change in temperature will be how much? Change in temperature will be how much? Change in temperature means delta T, how much? Which law is always obeyed?
Ideal gas law.
Beautiful, ideal gas equation. अभी V1 का वॉल्यूम V naught, तो pressure P I can find when volume is P1 by using this
Yes.
concept. P1 will become P naught 1 plus V naught. V is V1, which is V naught. So can I say P1 is P naught upon 1 plus 1 square is 1. So it is P naught upon 2. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when volume is V1, pressure is P1. What will be P2? P naught 1 plus V naught. V2 is 2 times V naught, the whole square. Mohit? Hello, Mohit? Mohit, you are there? Mohit? 5 by 4. Mohit, you are there? Mohit? 4 by 5 P naught. Copy this much. Then I will just cross check where is our Mohit. Mohit, you are there? ये बंदा लेक्चर में रहता नहीं है, खाली कनेक्टेड रहता है. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we know P1, we know V1, we know P2, we know V2. We want change in temperature. That means difference in temperature. As I said, Boyle's law is always, ideal gas equation is always obeyed, whatever may be the process. So PV is nRT, we can write anytime. for 1 mole, can we say PV equals to only RT?
Yes, sir.
That means T will become PV by R. So T1 will become P1 V1 by R. So T1 is, what is P1?
P not upon 2.
P0 upon 2. And V1 is V0.
Yes.
So T2 will be P2 V2 by R. How much is P2?
4 by 5
4
P naught.
4 by 5 P0. And V2? Double
Twice of
V0?
V.
Yes, twice. That means it is 8 by 5 P0 V0 upon R. Right. Then change in temperature is T2 minus T1. Right. Shall I, left hand side, can I clear?
Yes.
Therefore, change in temperature is T2 minus T1, which is 8 by 5 P0 V0 upon R minus P0 V0 upon 2R. So LCM will be 10R. This will become 16 times P0 V0 minus 5 times V0 P0 V0. That means 11 by 10 P0 V0 upon R. 11 times P0 V0 upon 10R option. Aditya Pillai. Hello, Aditya Pillai.
Yes, sir.
After the class, just wait for 2 minutes.
Done, sir.
Okay, everybody has done till this.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. Next one, again, one of the favorite sum from the graph. In the volume temperature graph, in volume temperature graph, at pressure, volume temperature graph, a certain amount of perfect gas at constant pressure P1 and P2 are shown. We conclude from the graph that who is greater, P1, P2, or their equal relation we want. Anybody can suggest कि ऐसा दो ग्राफ देता है दिया रहेगा तो what I have told you the concept. Whenever you see two graph, what concept? What concept if two graph is given? Don't forget all these basics. Yeah. Two graph.
सर वो 2 ग्राफ गिवन का नहीं मालूम, लेकिन केमिस्ट्री में भी कभी ये क्वेश्चन आता है कभी
मैं
ऐसा
फिजिक्स का पूछ रहा हूँ, मुझे फिजिक्स का बताओ, केमिस्ट्री का बात मत करो। आई एम टेलिंग 2 ग्राफ मिला तो क्या आपको बताया मैंने? इफ यू नो देन आंसर, इफ यू डोंट नो देन से ये पास, आई डोंट नो। Anybody knows? If 2 graph given, what concept I told, please start with that. In radiation also one sum we did, where d theta by dt and theta minus theta 0 का relation था. No, Arya, Pranjali, Isha, Neha, any concept you are remembering? Karan Vora, Karan
The
Goyal,
slope.
very good. Slope चाहिए. So ये देखो, ये चैप्टर स्पेसिफिक नहीं है, कोई भी चैप्टर में हो गया, you can find this. अभी केमिस्ट्री बेस्ड वाला अगर कॉन्सेप्ट चाहिए तो आई विल कीप वन कांस्टेंट, दैट इज केमिस्ट्री बेस्ड. एग्रीड? हु वाज सेइंग दैट्स केमिस्ट्री वाला? Pardon, who was saying?
आदित्य
Aditya. Aditya, answer whatever I ask. So now you followed. एक तो स्लोप,
Yes, sir.
और आपका केमिस्ट्री मेथड क्या है? कीप वॉल्यूम कांस्टेंट, है ना?
हाँ
आप यही बोल रहे थे?
हाँ वॉल्यूम कांस्टेंट
ओके, हाँ. सो ये एक मेथड है, और मैंने हमेशा बताया फिजिक्स में क्या देखना? स्लोप. व्हाट विल बी स्लोप हियर? इज इट v by t? Correct na? V by t. So slope is v by t. Now PV is RT for 1 mole. So V by T will become R by P na?
सर
R by P, no?
yes sir.
Can I say slope is inversely proportional to P?
Yes.
तो किसका स्लोप कम है बोलो? P1 का स्लोप कम है ना?
हाँ.
तो स्लोप ऑफ फर्स्ट वन इज लेस. Slope of first is less than slope of second. So I can say that means first wala is greater than second. Or volume constant rakha. Can you see at P2, this is T2, this is T1. So T2 is less than T1 now.
Yes, sir.
That means at constant volume, if T is less, then pressure P2 will be less than P1.
Yes, sir.
हो गया. That means P1 is greater than P2. So whichever you feel favorable, please do by that method. I will prefer slope method because मुझे 10 चीज फिर सोचने का जरूरत नहीं. See, even I know this. At times I will change, but you should know both. Solve by both method. Method 1, method 2. Method 1. Method 2.
Done, sir.
Everybody is done. Shall I clear it?
Yes, sir.
6. Half mole. N is half mole of helium gas is contained in container at STP. That means temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, 273 Kelvin. Heat energy needed to double the pressure. So P2 is double P1, heat required. Keeping the volume constant. Heat capacity of gas is given at constant volume 3 joule per gram Kelvin. Per gram Kelvin means it is principal. Pressure is doubled. So can I say at constant volume, if pressure is doubled, then temperature is also doubled? Can I say like this? Then temperature is also double?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That means T2 will be 2 times T1. So change in temperature will be T2 minus T1. That means 2T1 minus T1. That means T1. So 273 Kelvin is our change in temperature at constant volume. We want what is heat supplied for half mole of gas. Please copy this much, then I will find mass and solve the sum.
Then
Okay. Joule per gram Kelvin is CV. Which gas it is given? Helium, I think.
yes, sir.
For helium, what is molecular weight?
4.
4. So number of mole means given weight upon molecular weight. No?
So, but they are given number.
So from that mass we can find it. So this is half. Weight I don't know. Molecular weight I know. So weight will be 2 gram. No? Okay, followed now. So heat supply at constant volume is mass into CV into dt. Mass is 2 gram. CV 3. Change in temperature 273 है ना? Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
So 2 into 3, 6 into 273. 6 3s are 18. 42 and 143. 6 2s are 12 and 4 16. Option B. Very good sum. All are beautiful sums we are doing.
Done.
Good. seventh one. When a gas is in the thermal equilibrium. What is meaning of thermal equilibrium?
heat exchange zero.
Temperature is constant. Huh?
Temperature.
Temperature is constant. Everywhere same temperature. Temperature is constant. Then its molecule has zero energy. No energy to hoega na. So it will have different energies which remains constant. मतलब अलग अलग मॉलिक्यूल का स्पीड अलग अलग डायरेक्शन में अलग अलग रहेगा, बट एवरेज विल रिमेन कांस्टेंट. सो डिफरेंट एनर्जी व्हिच रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट. ऑप्शन डी इंपॉर्टेंट, थियोरेटिकल है. एवरेज काइनेटिक एनर्जी इज कांस्टेंट, इंडिविजुअल एनर्जी इज डिफरेंट. 8 मोनो एटॉमिक आइडियल गैस. फॉर मोनो एटॉमिक व्हाट इंफॉर्मेशन यू नो? For monoatomic gas, I know one gamma is 5/3. Second,
Yes, sir.
CV is 3/2R. Third,
2R.
CP is 5/2R. This is all I know whenever I see monoatomic. You should also remember that. So monoatomic gas initially at temperature of 17 degree. So 17 plus 273, that will become 290. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is suddenly compressed. What is meaning of sudden? Suddenly.
Adiabatic process.
Adiabatic.
Yes. Suddenly compressed matlab adiabatic. Means it is adiabatic to 1/8 of its volume. Then what is the final temperature? So we know TV raised to gamma is constant because
T raised to
temperature
gamma.
volume. Pardon? Yes, what? Hello?
TV raised to gamma minus 100.
TV raised to gamma minus 1. Correct. Copy this much. Then we'll substitute. So volume becomes 1/8, gamma is 5/3, final temperature we want. Nowhere it was given adiabatic. Sudden आया तो आपको याद रखने का, it is adiabatic. Sudden compress, sudden expand is adiabatic. साइकिल में हवा भरते अचानक साइकिल का टायर बस्ट हो गया, वो एडियाबेटिक है. So I can say T1 V1 gamma minus 1 is T2 V2 gamma minus 1. So T1 V1 gamma minus 1 is T2 1/8 of V1 gamma minus 1. So T1 V1 gamma minus 1 is T2 1/8 of gamma minus 1 V1 gamma minus 1. ये V1 gamma minus 1 cancel. So T1 is T2 1/8 of gamma 5/3 minus 1. T1 is T2 1/8 raised to 1 5 minus 3 2/3. Please copy again till this. That means it is T1 equals to T2 1/2 raised to 3 raised to 2/3. 3 cancel. Therefore T2 is 4 times T1, which is 4 into 273 Kelvin. आंसर किस में दिया है? सॉरी 290 290 4 into 0 4 9s are 36 carry 3 4 2s are 8 and 3 11 Kelvin. So 1160 minus 273 degrees Celsius. 10 minus 3 is 7. 15 minus 7 is 8. 887 degrees Celsius. Option C. Done. Shall I move ahead? Hello?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. 9. 9. A cyclic process ABCD is performed on a constant mass as shown. In cyclic process, what is same? Cyclic process. Cyclic process means from wherever you start, you come back to the same. No? So temperature remains same na, at that point for cyclic process. Hello? For cyclic process, change in internal energy is 0. Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
अभी ये देखो इन्होंने क्या दिया है. They are saying एक cyclic process का graph is given for V against T for constant mass. The change is represented on VT diagram as shown in the figure. AC, BC are parallel to V axis and T axis respectively. Parallel to V axis means temperature constant, and parallel to T axis means volume is constant. Here V is constant, here T is constant. Here P is constant because linear graph, hai na? Then on PV graph, which is correct representation? On PV graph, which is correct representation? A to B, what is constant? A to B, what is constant? Pressure. And temperature is increasing or decreasing?
It's increasing.
Increase.
So that means P is constant with volume increasing, na?
Yes.
मतलब ऐसा ग्राफ आएगा ना, P constant volume increasing. नहीं समझ में आया? आया बात समझ में आया? A to B, P constant. तो और वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज, तो A to B ऐसा आ जाएगा ना, वॉल्यूम इंक्रीजिंग एट कांस्टेंट वॉल्यूम. एनी डाउट? Any doubt?
No, no.
B to C, B is constant. B is constant मतलब पैरेलल टू P एक्सिस, और B कम हो रहा है, देखो इधर पीछे जा रहा है. B is constant और कम कम हो रहा है टेम्परेचर, तो प्रेशर भी कम होएगा. दिस इज C. Then C to A, temperature constant. Temperature constant means Boyle's law, and V is decreasing. So it will go C to P by Boyle's law. Where is this present? In option C. Very, 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 very important. Jada kuch dekho, it is not question of working. It is question of concept. Everybody followed this diagram also? Ninth one? Yes, ninth everybody has followed?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Minimum 2 MCQs fixed from this. 1 kTg, 1 radiation. So heat chapter mein, it is minimum 4, maximum 6 they ask. Done. Can I come to 10th now?
Yes, sir.
Done. What is meaning of isobaric process?
Work done 0.
Or what is constant?
Yes.
P is
Volume.
constant. P is, अरे isobaric pressure constant here.
Oh yeah, P constant.
हाँ, तो work done 0 नहीं होगा ना? So delta Q, delta U चाहिए ratio. At isobaric process, what is delta Q? It is nothing but N times Cp dt or not? Heat supplied at constant pressure.
No.
And internal energy is N Cv dt or not? Yes?
Yes, sir.
That means it is Cp upon Cv or not? So gamma by 1 is the answer. Option D. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. 11th. The gas law PV equal to RT is true only for isothermal? No. Only for adiabatic? No. For both. That is C. C.
Done, sir.
12th. This is last for today. 12th. Two containers have equal volume, contain same gas at pressure P1, P2 and temperature T1, T2. On joining the vessel, the gas reaches common temperature, pressure P and temperature T. Then what is ratio of P by T? On joining, number of mole becomes sum of the mole. And number of mole is nothing but RT upon PV. Okay. But volume becomes double because दो equal container को join किया ना. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So they are telling what will be the ratio of P by T. So with this, PV is nRT, nRT. Therefore, N is PV upon RT. I made mistake. PV upon RT. Whenever two container वाला problem given, दोनों को join किया मतलब number of mole add हो जाता है. So this is P final, final volume 2V, final temperature they are telling T. This is initial P1, volume is V, temperature T1. This is P2, volume is V, temperature T2, divided by R. So throughout V by R, V by R, V by R you can cancel. So P upon 2P by T is P1 upon T1 plus P2 upon T2. Therefore, P by T will become half of P1 upon T1 plus P2 upon T2. Option B. Complete. That's all for today. Complete this much.
Done, sir.
Okay. So that's all for today. We'll meet today.